angithi bani esilungu i-testimony angithi basara uma ekhona olayo lento lokuthiwa i-testimony yamnika ithuba angithi basara bese kuthi uma ekhona futhi ofuna ukubonga uJesu angithi bani ngesipho noma ufuna ukusenda i-wallet inamba yami ikhona yakunika inamba yami usenda angithi bani noma ufuna ukufaka phakathi kwe-envelope ngiyakunika i-envelope ufaka angithi bani noma ufuna i-account inani ngiyakunika ufaka angithi bani uma uthola inkonzo esikiyo iy'nkonzo yokunikela angithi bani iy'nkonzo yokunikela uma ikhuluma incwadi u-3 mangaphambanisa imali yakho angithi uthi letha nini angithi bani ukudla endlini yami ivivileni ngakhona khona ibona ukuthi angiyivula yini iminyango haleluya uma ikhuluma kwenye indawo kuJohane 3:16 ithi wawuthanda umhlaba kangaka waze wanikela ngendodana yakhe esebenzini haleluya into mawuyithanda uyanikela manje uNkulunkulu uthi esewuthandile umhlaba wanikela ngoJesu ukuthi azuze yini angithi basala so ithuba lona leli ithuba lama-testimony angithi bathi labantu abafuna ukuba uNkulunkulu ngabalanga yabathethela ngihlala phansi so wonke umuntu nje awuthi ngibeke kahle wonke umuntu ole-testimony angithi bani uyithuba lomuntu olihalo angithi bazalwa wonke umuntu ole-testimony ngiyamdedela
Amen. Amen.
Mas badala emsebenzini kwenza ukuthi bangishodisa imali yami. That was a miracle from the beginning. So bangishodisa imali yami ngoba ingene ifani because bayinqamuleka yi-2. So I was shocked and then I went to the manager to like my money is short. And then I told her, let me check to the system. I checked our 2 for sure. It's short. It is short like the 2.5. So then they were like, okay, we're gonna send it. I was like, okay, all right. And then I continued ukusebenza. And then mangifuna lunch. And then ngithatha phone yami lapha nje ngiyahambela ngifike ngiphenye. And then ngibone i-message. Yeah. And then i-message lena ithi give me 25,000. Then we were praying, and then I declared that I need 25,000. If God can give me just 25,000, there's something that I want to do. I just need 25,000. I didn't ask much. Yes. I don't know what that means. And then she was like, you said this screenshot. You said it's hide from my friend. Let's transfer it to another account on social media. And then I transferred it to another account. And then I was like, oh, okay. And then I go, and then I said like, number. But the bank said, I'm like, shut manager may beg an expensive it was fake on your name. It's my color. What does all that? What are you? Oh, it's my right. I went back to these and I went highway at this land. Yeah, but then it has to be a 7 of the in Shaluba. And then the next day, I was writing I 7 days. So the message managed. Mine said the message given a gift in terms of who's a bad. But then till today, I'm going to confirm I don't think this time. What they will never, I still today. So that is said, so we
what do I get? I just card and it from 3 months and this is a laugh. I need to ask my phone over testimony and from 3 months this is a laugh. I need testimony liwafakaza angithi bafakaza nxa ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngathula la uyathula angithi ba engakwenzela ukuhlobonga angithi abanye akusimala kuphela abanye bebengasebenzi basebenza abanye bebengajadanga bajada so yezinye ngoba zibona hayi okunye bengashelwa washela não pode mudar muito eu vou arrumar os outros na hora de falar por meu mundo mama quero que não é problema nem passar so se é bom para parte passar so benefício ukuthi singene kunikelele njalo nem passar labo bonke abanamathengo manje besiwanele nango kunye ukudlulisa lapha imali zamarenti ezihayo nanyanga kunzima haleluya engifisile ngicela ukusa phakathi kwalimali kunento yalapha ayi-25,000 ayikafiki ngisho ku-10,000 haleluya langale yuvelo yakho kunzima ngithi so bengifisa umusa nje ukuthela abadala ngithi amen abantu asebamkhonzile uJesu abamthembayo abazinikelayo angithi bathi ukuthi mangabe kuvuma sincedisane kulo angithi bazaba uma bekhona ngicela abavolontiya angithi bathi kamalele volontiya haleluya uthula abanye mama bahle kakhulu vele okinoma ekampu yambona umama angithi bathi bakhona abantu baba mpeloni noma bekampu yambona ubaba lo utayela angithi bazaba so ngiyacela umuso njalo kulo lo mntwana angithi bazaba lokho akuphume emthizweni yomuntu haleluya ukuthi uma bekhona noma sebebhadalile kodwa ngifisile ukulekelela angithi bathi noma yi-1,000 ngoba akhuluma 25,000 kodwa onayi-100 angithi bazalibanga kodwa-ke bengifisile ukuthi njengalokho isimo singathi sisile kangako uma bekhona abadala labafisile ukulekelela bengaphakamisa izandla